dense bean salad. Have you guys heard of this trend that's on TikTok right now? Well, it seems that I've ended up with some extra chickpeas in my pantry. So today we're gonna make a dense bean salad.
Every week I meal prep a dense bean salad. Every week I make a dense bean salad. Every week I make a dense bean salad. Every week I make a dense bean salad. Every week I meal prep a dense bean salad.
So All Recipes says that a dense bean salad is a bean salad mixed with a handful of other ingredients, usually veggies, but it could be meats or cheese and some kind of dressing. It's basically a marinated bean salad that you can prep ahead of time. It holds really well in the fridge for meal prep for the week. So for this recipe, you'll need 2 15-ounce cans of chickpeas, 1 medium cucumber chopped, 1 red bell pepper, half a red onion, half a cup of chopped pitted Kalamata olives, some crumbled feta cheese. I'm going to use a block and cube it myself, salt, pepper, and olive oil, fresh lemon juice, dill or parsley, and crushed red pepper flakes. I've got 2 cans of my chickpeas, which I rinsed and drained, adding those to the bowl. And add our chopped cucumber. I tried to chop the cucumber, I mean not super small, but in small enough chunks it's about the same size as the chickpeas. Added our chopped red bell pepper to the bowl. Half a red onion that I diced up. Added about half a cup of chopped Kalamata olives. I added 4 ounces of feta cheese that I cut into cubes. I'm going to season this with salt and pepper. I'm going to use a mason jar so it's easier to mix the dressings. So I'm adding some olive oil, white wine vinegar. I'm going to squeeze some fresh lemon juice, about a tablespoon. We're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'll post the original recipe down below. It's from Delish. The original recipe calls for parsley. I don't have any fresh parsley, but I have fresh dill, and I think that'll be just as good in this, so I'm going to use that instead. Put the lid on this and shake it up. Okay, so I went ahead and packed the salad into these like takeout containers. I really love these for meal prep. They fit super well in the fridge. You can label them with masking tape. And I did the nutrition facts for this. 1 serving for 1 cup, which is this one is a 1 cup container, is only 285 calories, 9 grams of protein, and 7 grams of fiber, which is great. So you could pair this with like some grilled chicken or another protein for a meal. You could put it with lettuce. Yeah. So anyway, like I said, I'll put the recipe to this down below. I hope you guys try it. It turned out really, really delicious.